Welcome to Beautyistic. Let me ask you, how many times have you used a serum or detangler hoping for smoother, shinier hair, only to be left disappointed? If you've struggled with frizz, split ends, or lackluster locks, then keep watching because today, we're taking a deep dive into ANZA Healing Strength Singles and Kit. This serum and detangler combo promises to heal, strengthen, and protect your hair, giving it a sleek, glossy shine. But does it actually deliver? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an honest beauty review. ANZA Healing Strength Silk Serum and Strengthening Detangler Spray is designed for all hair types, with a focus on those with fine or damaged hair. It's a 2-in-1 treatment that's here to repair damage, smooth split ends, and protect from UV and heat. The serum and detangler are both sulfate-free, which is a big plus if you're looking to keep your hair healthy and free of harsh chemicals. The formula is also unscented, which could be a relief for those sensitive to heavy fragrances. You get 4.4 fluid ounces of product, which in my opinion is a good amount for a treatment. Now I've been using this duo for about 2 weeks, incorporating it into my daily routine, and I have to say, I was curious to see how well this combination would work. The serum applies smoothly to damp hair, instantly adding a silky feel without weighing it down. The detangler spray, which I've used both on wet and dry hair, is lightweight but effective. It detangles effortlessly and, true to its claims, helps to smooth frizz while providing a noticeable shine. On days when I'm styling my hair with heat tools, I was pleased to find that this duo didn't leave my hair feeling greasy or heavy. In fact, I noticed it provided some much-needed protection against heat and UV damage, which is a huge bonus for those of us who style our hair regularly. And as promised, my hair felt softer and looked shinier after using it. I didn't have to deal with the typical static or flyaways I often encounter with other products. Now let's break it down. The pros are clear. This product does a fantastic job of smoothing frizz, repairing damage, and adding a sleek shine. I also love the fact that it's sulfate-free and protects from heat and UV damage, making it a perfect option for daily use. If you've got fine or damaged hair, you'll appreciate the added manageability and softness it provides. But no product is perfect. One con I did notice is that while the serum adds shine, it doesn't give that weightless volume you might expect from a product that claims to repair fine hair. If you're hoping for some extra bounce or fullness, you might need to layer it with a volumizing product. Also, the unscented formula might be a drawback for those who love a fresh scent in their hair products. When it comes to value for money, I think this product is well worth it, especially considering its effectiveness in both detangling and strengthening hair. You're not just getting a detangler here, you're also getting a heat protectant, UV protection, and a repair treatment all in one. For the price, you're getting a solid multi-use product that'll definitely last for a while, especially if you're using it as a part of your regular hair care routine. I compared this to a few other popular serums and detanglers on the market, and while some might offer similar benefits, none of them pack in as many protective features as ANZA's duo. It's a higher-end product, but the extra investment could make a significant difference if your hair is prone to damage or if you use heat styling tools frequently. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but effective. The serum comes in a sleek, easy-to-use pump bottle, while the detangler spray is in a standard spray bottle. Both are sturdy, and I found them to be user-friendly and mess-free. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on this product, the link is in the comments. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. In conclusion, ANZA Healing Strength Silk Serum and Strengthening Detangler Spray is a solid product for anyone with fine or damaged hair, looking to add smoothness, shine, and protection from heat and UV damage. While it might not add dramatic volume, the overall results in terms of softness, manageability, and protection are definitely worth the investment. If you're dealing with frizz or damaged hair and need a reliable sulfate-free option, I think you'll be impressed. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.